Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install Samsung ML-2161 laser printer driver in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First, we check our PC or laptop is 32-bit or 64-bit. That is very easy to check it. Go to this PC, right click on this PC, click on the properties. Wait for a few seconds. In a properties, scroll down and find system type. If system type is 32-bit, that means that machine is 32-bit operating system machine. If system type is 64-bit, that means that machine is 64-bit operating system machine. This machine is 64-bit operating system machine. Close it. Next step is download our printer driver. Go to any web browser that you like. I am going to the Google Chrome. In a search, type Samsung ML-2161 laser printer driver download and hit enter key on your keyboard. First link is from the support.hp.com official website of the HP printer. Samsung printer and HP printers are now combined. That's why all Samsung printer drivers are on our HP printer. Open the first link, whatever first link is from the HP, open that first link. And official website is open. Here we find our printer name Samsung ML-2161 laser printer. And here we find the operating system and bit. If operating system or bit is not right, then click at here, choose a different OS, select Windows in a operating system in a version, select Windows 10 32-bit if 32-bit machine. If Windows 10 64-bit, then select Windows 10 64-bit and click on the update. This page or this box goes to the refresh. After that, scroll down. Here we find driver product installation software, expand it. Here we find basics drivers, expand basics drivers. Here we find our ML-2160 series printer driver. Go to this series printer driver. Here we find 2160 and 2160 is series printer, and it's also include our ML-2161 printer. And go to here download, click on the download. It's redirect to the another official website and download is started at the top. Our download is completed. Go to the downloads, click on show in folder, minimize it and drag this setup file to desktop. Close it. Here we find our setup file and we are going to install this driver setup file. That is very easy. Double click on it or right click on it and click on run as administrator. Wait for a few seconds, click on the yes. And after that installation is started, you can extract or install. I go to the install, you can go to the extract also. I click on the install, click on the OK. Wait for a few seconds to install is started on our PC. Our installation is started and select this box or the check this box, select this, check this terms and condition, accept the terms and conditions and click on the next. Here we find four options. First is the USB. You can use USB. I can use USB, so I select USB. You can also select network. Network means your Ethernet connection. If you want to use Ethernet connection, then select network. And if you want to wireless, wireless means Wi-Fi by using router or your Wi-Fi connection, then go to the wireless. And if you want to connect your printer later, that means you connect your USB to the PC or laptop to your printer later, or the power on your printer later, then connect install this software without connecting the printer. Select this last option. I select the USB. You can select any option that you want and click on the next button. Click on the next. It's asked for the update. You can also go to the next. I wait for a few seconds. It takes few seconds. Okay. And after that, click on the next button on your PC if you want to install. Here we find many options. Here we find our printer drivers and many other things. Click on the next. Don't change it anything. And if you want to change advanced options, that means name of this printer, then click at here advanced options. And here we find the name of this printer. I give Samsung ML-2161 series, and it's include our printer also. If you want to share this printer, then select this, check this and click on the apply. And after that, here we find our name is changed, then click on OK. And after that, click on the next button. Now installation is process is started. It takes 1 or 2 minutes depending on the speed of our PC or laptop, Windows 10 PC or laptop. So be patient and wait for a few minutes to properly install this printer driver on our Windows 10 PC or laptop. Our installation is complete in a few seconds. Our installation is complete. Now click on the next. Setup is complete option. Now click on the next. Here we find finish, click on the finish. Next is the check our printer is properly installed or not. Go to start, type printers and scanners, click on the printers and scanner, wait for few seconds. In a printer list, if you find your printer named Samsung ML-2161 or 2160, that means your printer is properly installed and it's work 110% in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.